Hello guys, welcome to another day of Map Vids. Today I am opening up this Mega Evolutions Perfect Order Booster Bundle pack. And I hope I try and get this Meowth EX. So yes, let's get straight into it. And I got these at Truro Geek Retreat. Truro. These ones, and also 100... My brain's gone. Like, card sleeves. So, yes. Never opened a thing like these before. I've got 6 packs, 60 cards. Got Meowth, Starmie, Clefable, this dude, Zargard, another Meowth, and a Starmie. So let's open this one first. Zygarde. Can't open these. I really can't open these, can I? Bottom. The back of the Pokemon Live card. It's really cool. So first we got Dartrick. Then we got Malwi. Then Rattata. Then Hedgeagon or Hoedge. Energy Swatter. Meowstick. Tarragon. Malwi. Water Energy. Spewpa. And Gengar. That was in the first pack. Then the Clefable. Fire Energy. Another Spewpa. Potion. Clefairy. Howalacha. Judge. Volcanion. Shaman. Another Gengar. Pokepad. The last one. Voltray. Then let's open the Meowth. Another Pokemon Live. A Fighting Energy. Furfrou. Servine. Pokemon Catcher. Ghastly. Lumon Gelate. Isn't how you say it. Raticate. Jathy. Or Jacinth. another Judge, another Jacinth, then the Mega Zarade EX. Not the one I wanted, but we still got 3 more packs. This one's a really cool one. Okay, I will like that. Put it in the sleeve. There we go. Then let's open Starfish one. Ooh. Dark Energy. Antique Jaw Fossil. Armorora. Bunny Bly. Hippotas. Rose's Encouragement. Vilvollen. Argislash. Esper. Vilvelon. Got another one of them. Last one. Mega Charmy EX. Full art. Okay, this one. Hold on, dropped it. Very, very cool. Put that in the sleeve as well. Okay, let's go to the other Meowth. Second to last pack. Obviously not the very last, because that's mean. Okay, Basic Energy, Electric Energy. Shinx. Tyrant, very T-Rex. Like him. Seal, literally just a seal. Double Blade. Barnacle. Naveen. Toro. I think so, say it. A lot of T's. Staryu. Drapin. Full art. Last one. Chinpao. Wow. That one's cool, but I like this one more. Look at it. That full art is amazing. And last, but definitely not least, the other Starfish pack. I forgot what's already called it. There we go. Green Basic Energy. Spin Oraka. Nose Pass. Score Upper. Pokeball. Digsby. Lumosity. Talonflame. Furfew. Hippotas. Last one. Lapras EX. Pretty good, but I didn't get the card which I wanted. And yes, hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for the next one. Bye.
You did really well.